record sengkini nainai general awareness ni history ni part obo sekango class khaja khaipana tini practice class teisa sangnai orawani ni বিশেষ করে 1885 বা 84 বা বিশেষ করে নিনি ফ্রিডম স্ট্রাগল ni important period Lord Dufferin ni period ngahangkai 1884 Lord Dufferin ni period 1884 to 88 বলতে 4টা বছর 84 to 88 अब Lord Dufferin ni period a সময়ে ন থার এংলো বার্মা ওয়ারঙ্গ 85 86 থার এংলো বার্মা ওয়ার a সময়ে ন অঙ্গ আন পরে নিনি অল ইন্ডিয়ান অর্গানাইজেশন ইন্ডিয়ান ন্যাশনাল কংগ্রেস এস্টাবলিশিং খা আফুরো এঙ্কাই বিশেষ করিয়া নিনি ডিসেম্বর 28 1885 Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College o jagao nini ongongkha Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College INC Indian National Congress obo founded তৈরি খাইজাকা নিনি আফরো তো নিনি ডিসেম্বর 28 1885 of important again 1885 December ni December 28 1885 Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College Mumbai of nini Indian National Congress afro establish khaba toiri khlaijaka ba gothon khlaijaka jengabo manthaga December ni 28 1885 bo jaga angka Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College Mumbai a jaga total borok delegate angka pa participate khaikya 72 jon oboriwo barbar egeseng obo mariwoi je class khainai o class record tongnai teisa ek dui bar khanadi eke founder sabo hongkai Alan Octavian Hume jeng agi saimangka haipana teisa memory o recap ba check up no Alan Octavian Hume bo kaisa civil servant bolte ritiar civil servant bono founder INC ni aro president angka WC Banerjee ba Umesh Chandra Banerjee first je president Umesh Chandra Banerjee WC Banerjee poila egeseng saimanta koro information INC bupro establishing bo jaga afro khorak busuk attend kha founder sabo ege poila sabona president dikha jeng saimanta ga tepogya abon pore the Indian Association of SN Banerjee teisa Indian Association noi SN Banerjee bolte Surendranath Banerjee and Ananda Mohan Bose organized an all Indian National Congress in 1883 December Indian National Congress Indian National Conference नै 1883 December organize khaijaka mane establish ne age abon pore teisa they had given call for another conference in 1885 83 ongman pore 1885 ong kangkai aprokai nini arbo 85 ongkai establish tha Congress means Assembly of the People. People rongni je Assembly bono hino Congress. Congress ni ortho tamo hini seng saimang kangkai tamo Assembly of the People. Assembly of the People. And the name of Congress was suggested to the organization by Danabai Nuroji. Congress kaisa je shobdo abo suggested khainai organization sabo bai hinga hangkai Dadabai Nuroji bai Dadabai Nuroji. The name of Congress was suggested to the organization by Dadabai Nuroji. Egaro Dadabai Nuroji sabo Dadabai Nuroji founded the East India Association in 1886. 85 to INC establishing thaka Alan Octavian Hume by awan pra East India Association noi 1886 okai Dadabai Nuroji founded khaikya Hume was the General Secretary of INC till 1992 85 ni theke 1885 ni hoite 1992 jora Alan Octavian Hume no General Secretary riwoi tonikha bo founder khano 1892 1892 sal jora bono angko Secretary General Secretary ri tonkha bo founder khano. The second session of INC meet at Calcutta. Poilao Mumbai 85 to thik ase angkha establish angkha gaba founded angkha abon pore second session 86 5 বছর পরে session abon angkha Kolkata borok প্রত্যেক বছর বা আলাদা আলাদা জায়গা খাইনান বাগে borok দিজন নাকা যে কনফারেন্স বা সেশন আপ্রো হ্যালো সাদে माने मान कांगाय रायखेदिदा आं साइमांले hey apani Saya datang. Hello. Kok dak khana? Ani kok dak khana?
Kenapa?
Acha. Line to line mo copy no rong no borhajak jotono no erpore line to line naidi. Khanadi te common kalai yang ya. Karena ora phakri line khai descriptive competitive exam pass khanen ekmatro upay descriptive line khai porinani MCQ hingkai karjagai thango onek somoy kalai erokom. Alan Octavian Hume was the General Secretary INC till 1892. Acha thik ase. The second session of The INC meet at Calcutta in December 1886. 85 nini Mumbai INC establishing mani pore arote conference liya Kolkata conference khaika karon borokno elar khainan bagai प्रत्येक बছর যে অধিবেশন মানে কনফারেন্স মানে বরক সালাইকা বিভিন্ন জায়গাও একটা জায়গা খায়া তাঙ্গে হিংকা বরকন সাইমান নিন বাগৈ এগা 86 ওকাই কলকাতা আংখা আরো দাদাবাই নরজিন রিখা 85 তো উমেশ চন্দ্র ব্যানার্জি 86 সাবহিন সাকাংকায় দাদাবাই নরজিন প্রেসিডেন্ট রিখা দাদাবাই নরজি 86 আবন পরে 86 ni pore 87 ke madrajong ka 87 madrajo nini Badruddin Tiyabji Muslim president no rikha sangabo malayana haipan mang mo ngoni loge year ni loge ang sai rikha 88 to hongkai English president George Siali no rikha first the president George Sialina. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে जों নাইথানাই অবমানানো আবার সিরিয়াল প্রেসিডেন্ট ইয়ার খাই দङ এটা গলেন কোনো মানা করেব একে जोंराव সেকেন্ড সেশন কলকাতা আংখা ডিসেম্বর 1886 প্রেসিডেন্ট দাদাবাই নরজি আবন পরে the period from 1885 to 1905 is known as the moderate phase of Indian National Congress. Orawo jung point ma khatamo 85 ni theke 1905 jora moderate pace moderate ni bolte noramponthi rongni jamana mane borongni pace 85 ni theke 1905 asib jora 1905 jora moderate rongni आन पर आस्ते आस्ते का एक्सट्रीमिस्ट रॉक उनको फेंकिया आन पर खाय मत निनी 1907 हंका हंका बरक कागलाई मानी अब लाइन फेने तेबो the period of 1885 to 1905 is known as the moderate phase of Indian National Congress. Prominent leader of Aro Sabo Hongkai Dadabai Noroji of most important moderate pace ni prominent leader sabo hangka hangkai ba under who is the leader of moderate pace in chaka hangkai singorma yango amon baga mo mudunaraki Dadabai Noroji Badruddin Tiyabji Firoz Shah Mehta Surendranath Banerjee Gopal Krishna Gokhale borok hangka hangkai nini moderate pace ni angka prominent leader. Sung Simon Taka, moderate pace ni prominent leader of Sabo, Dadabai Noroji, Badruddin Tiyabji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Brok prominent leader, brok nologi to tebo tongo, abo to brok simia. Eke, brok prominent leader, abo ka moderate extremist so hangkai singarawa bini pore hangkai Bipin Chandra Pal Lal Bal Pal Lala Lajpat Rai Bipin Chandra Pal nini Lal Bal Gangadhar Tilak borok hangkai soramponthi ba extremist again जों अब माना नतेबो जों अब बिन लगे आं साइरिकल तावनादि we do not ask favor we only want justice. These were the word of Dadabai Noroji. We do not ask favor. We only want justice. Abo sanai sabo opoyenno Dadabai Noroji. Kanai tongle na? Kanao na? Dadabai Noroji is the author of the book Poverty and British Rule in India. Abo barbar phajak exam ba TPS exam ba business exam ba Poverty and British Rule abo sinai sabo Dadabai Noroji book and author of Hanori Mungtongobo, which contain the famous drain theory. Enggak mo ti hinban phayo drain theory saboni. Drain theory hingkai Dadabai Noroji or the drain theory bojaga hangkai property and British rule in India wa ajagani contain famous content theory. Dadabai Noroji Simani. Dadabai Noroji is known as the Grand Old Man of India. Teka bini famous abokan nickname hini phaimung tongo. The Grand Old Man of India. The Grand Old Man of India sabno hingka hangkai Dadabai Noroji. Dadabai Noroji no the Grand Old Man of India hino. Eke ponga famous bini nickname obo. He was the first Indian to become a member of the House of Commons on the Liberal Party ticket. Common House nini America nini ko hangka gyo hangka Common House Lord House Common House ni eke arani puila nini member party ni je ticket man mani bono. He became the president of INC thrice. INC wo Indian National Congress of bo 3 bar president nangka bufur hungkai 86 waisa 93 waisa 1906 waisa muitunarak di bo je 3 bar mani popo tariko hinsung ka hangkai mayang thanai 1886 1993 1906 ike obo haike kakai nang preliminary personality jora nang mahaike jodi srengka hangkai personality test jora nono soitrang thangmanai pakka khai jodi karon kono jinis ang sanai phakirioi kono jinis thangmangla cheleoi jotono clear ngi asa porjonto job achieve nani kisa problematic tongo mane fail orongna jaigo amon bagai ang barbar eki kok sai dongo jeng do to history hoite surukai everything ang jotono bujokbai nang one by one eke sini quantity reasoning to motamoti juri laikha sebo serang laikha aran batisa jodi problem hingga serang layan acha Gyan Prakash Mandali bo founded khaikya tekasa Gyan Prakash Mandali hinai and Mumbai Association in 1852 abo agiwo khalaimani kok he is also known as father of Indian economy and politics. Tekasa father of economic simi hingkai kinto emi Saminathan si and politics singa hangkai Dadabai Noroji and dioi politics jodi thepajak singa hangkai pono Dadabai Noroji father of Indian economic and Saminathan se economic and politics singa hangkai father of Indian economic and politics singa hangkai Dadabai Noroji khanai tongna Badruddin Tayebji was the first Indian barrister at Mumbai High Court. Tekasa Mumbai High Court poila barrister India ni sabo hangkai Badruddin Tayebji bono jeng INC ni first Muslim president bo hino he was the first Muslim president of INC. He became the third president of INC in Madras session in 1887. Angokok taisingo saka bongkai third nini president INC ni Madras session 85 hongkangka Umesh Chandra Banerjee 86 hongkangka nini Badruddin Dadabai Noroji 87 hongkangka nini sabongka Badruddin Tayebji abongka Madraso puila hangka Mumbai 1885 arpra Kolkata 1886 1886 1887 hingga angka nini Madrajo nini first Muslim President Badruddin Tayebji. Khanai tongo srai na. Hello.
Kenapa, sir?
Firoz Shah Mehta founded the Mumbai Chronicle in 1913. Firoz Shah Mehta bo founded khaikya Mumbai Chronicle in 1913 no 1913 salo bini Firoz Shah Mehta bo kaisa moderate pace ni prominent leader Badruddin Tayebji bo sentang semana Andhra Surendranath Banerjee Gopal Krishna Gokhale bong kok sai tong tabo eke Firoz Shah Mehta ni bini bot kaisa bini অবদান sai tong moderate pace ni S.N. Banerjee founded the Indian Association in 1876. 1876 Surendranath Banerjee Indian Association nei bo founded khaikya. He was the first president of Indian National Liberal Federation. Indian National Liberal Federation nei 1918 bo poila je president nangkha sabo Surendranath Banerjee. Aban porate kaisa prominent leader sabo Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded the Servant of Indian Society in 1905. Gopal Krishna Gokhale bo Servant of Indian Society. Servant of Indian Society hine kaisa bo founded khaikya 1905 bo egarat nini phaina 1905 bo Servant of India Society abo founded tongo sabo khaikya Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Jawaharlal Nehru observed the early Congress to be an English knowing upper class affair. Jawaharlal Nehru observed khaimani. George Shelley was the first foreigner to become the president of INC 1888 Allahabad. Allahabad ni 1888 Allahabad ni 1888 nini 4 president INC ni 4 president INC ni 4 president George Shelley bongka foreigner rongma dikha foreigner rongma bo INC o Indian National Congress o president dikha tangi hinge karan India brok sitong koma bapuro nga INC Indian National Congress o 4 the president sabong hangkai puila hangkai ek number o Umesh Chandra Banerjee second hingga hangkai Dadabhai Naoroji third hangkai Badruddin Tayebji fourth hangkai George Shelley. Arawa puila hangkai Mumbai o establishing crew second hingga hangkai Calcutta o third hingga hangkai nini Madras so erpora fourth hingga hangkai session borong hingga hangkai Allahabad. Orang mutu kadi charger aku kahangka mutu kadi abonono barbar sungo puro sabong hangka George Shelley bojaga session hangka Allahabad bokuro hangka 1888 bas saima khablena. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was popular known as the Socrates of Maharashtra. Socrates of Maharashtra nickname sabono hinkai Gopal Krishna Gokhale abo history hisabe phaimano nickname hisabe bo phaimano nickname of famous personality in India. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was popular known as the Socrates of Maharashtra. Socrates of Maharashtra ne Socrates hinjakna hinkai Gopal Krishna Gokhale. M.G. Ranade was the political guru of Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale ni political guru hangkai M.G. Ranade, Mahadev Govinda Ranade. M mane Mahadev, G mane Govinda Ranade. Mahadev Govinda Ranade hangkai Gopal Krishna Gokhale ni tamo political guru political forongnai bono Gopal Krishna Gokhale ano. Gokhale is considered as the political guru of Gandhiji. Teisa Gandhiji ni political guru hongkai ba Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna ni Gokhale ni political guru hongkai MG Ranade. Acha oro confuse tangdi. Chala Gandhiji ni political guru sabo
Gokhale.
Gokhale bolte Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale ni political guru sabo
MG Ranade.
MG Ranade. Oro Gopal Krishna Gokhale ni political guru sabo hongkai Gandhiji barijak tongnai MG Ranade tongnai political guru hongkai Gandhiji o click rekha onekjon borok mistake khai amake khai dibo eike aro nini MG Ranade hongkai Gopal Krishna Gokhale ni political guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale hongkai Gandhiji ni political guru bas abon pore nini Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress 1925 Kanpur session. Kanpur session Sarojini Naidu no INC ni president hisabe niyukta khaikya. Teka sharo most important. Aro first woman president hingga hangkai sabo hingga hangkai first woman president hin chaka hangkai oro mistake khaibe obroro first woman president hingga hangkai nini India ni first woman president sabo hin jodi chaka hangkai Pratibha Devi Singh Patil kintu INC ni India ni je first woman president sabo hingga hangkai Sarojini Naidu oro mistake khaibe INC ni Indian National Congress ni INC ni Indian National Congress ni first woman president hingga hangkai Sarojini Naidu. Boro 1925 Kanpur session Nalin Sengupta became the third woman president of INC. Nalin Sengupta became the third woman president of INC 1933 at the Calcutta session. The Swaraj was the first used in Calcutta session in 1906. First joint session of Congress and Muslim League was held at Lucknow 1916 or a first joint session hangkai Muslim by Congress or Malalemani or split like 1907 no teisa malai bekya abro puna pekingo Lucknow pekingo 1916 Lucknow pek puna pek hangkai teke salada punaka hangkai Gandhiji je samoyo iaro badase pune ni iaro badase jela tongkuru je biar Ambedkar bai je ungo khalelemani sortakana aborke puna pek mo hangkai Lucknow pek aro onek jon mistake ngo Lucknow pek hangkai tamo nini aro Lucknow ba nini 1960 no nini joint session no aro Congress bai Muslim League borok joint session mane joint thaka aporo moderate by extremist robo aro eklai thaka mane pray 1907 no kaglai mane surat session no eke 1960 no borok jotono ro eklai kya mane 60 no kha eke a samoyo 1950 no hangkai South African hote Gandhiji choli theke India o South Africa tongmani India o choli theke 1960 happen bokunke 1970 no hangkai bini starting struggle acha chang next of phali nabo only session president over by Gandhi Belgium only session presided over by Gandhiji Belgium 1924 Belgium session no nini preside khekya Gandhi boporo 1924 apne pore naidi or complete independence was demand for the first time 1929 in the Lahore session most important barbar phaja aro mo comprehensive point 17টা পেজ tongo o comprehensive point ni porikha bolte no nini to aro প্রত্যেকটা point ni ja ang video bo barbar khaja te hato copy bo naidi abo jotona ang tola description box ri diwana jara study khane rongni help manan bagai aste aste ang try khai tongo tebo better atlangan bagai complete independence was demanded for the first time 1929 in the Lahore session of 1929 no nini complete independence ini demand khlaika puila mane first time for the first time national song was sung in the Calcutta session 1896 of INC Bande Mataram hnoi national song Bande Mataram hnoi poila sang khajaka poila resab jakha Kolkata session 1896 mo barbar phaja je kono exam bo 1896 for the first time national song was sung in Calcutta session 1896 of INC Bande Mataram tamabo national song national anthem by national song no mix takhadi onek somoy onek borok mix khaikibo engai mix takhadi of video namen pore to mix engla kang asakai during the Nagpur session 1891 the word national was added to Congress during the Nagpur session 1891 the word national was added to Congress apro oje shabdo no add khajaka in the Lucknow session of Congress 1916 the two faction of Congress extremist and moderate reunited abang kasino saibekya mokok no khnai tongna ani kok khnai tongle na
No.
1916 no nini Congress by Muslim League bo join kha aun bore nini extremist by moderate bo ek unit kha reunit ek loge united reunited mane mili laikha bofro kaklai mane 1907 no surat session no borok kaklai thanga mod mane khapela yang layei choramponthi by noramponthi extremist by moderate tewai family laikha 1916 no the Lucknow session Lucknow pack during the special session of Congress in Calcutta 1920 Gandhiji proposed to start non-cooperation movement bofuro boss session hoite start khainani bagai proposal likha Gandhiji enkai 1920 wo proposal likha Kolkata session 1920 Gandhiji propose khaikya start khainan bagai non-cooperation movement কোনো operation kroi কোনো সহাবস্থান kroi কোনো যোগসূত্র kroi জানি যা non-cooperation movement during the Delhi session 1923 Indian National Congress decided to establish All Indian Khadi Board 1923 wo angkaino Indian National Congress decide khaikya Delhi session 1923 wo All Indian Khadi Board noi establish khaikya Khadi All Indian Khadi Board tan bagai ri chomrok snamnan bagai non cooperation hoy bolte nini buni jinis to use khai kono cooperate sikhalia during the Guwahati session of INC 1926 wearing khadi was made compulsory to eat worker no 1926 guy Guwahati session no jotono ma sumbaine compulsory ma sumbaine nei dike engko khairika compulsory obo ma sumbai sinai during the Guwahati session of INC 1926 wearing khadi was made compulsory to each worker o jagani je worker no 1926 okai o je khadi ni je manui senamani abo jotono khadi ni mani mang khadi ni ri mamang ma sumbai sinai abo sumnani bagai compulsory tar mane no khadi board establishing ka 1923 non cooperation 1921 abahike engte 1923 wo hongkano khadi board all indian khadi board thaka aun pore 1926 ingka hongkano Guwahati session 1926 north east ni Guwahati session 1926 aro sumnani bagai wearing khadi was made compulsory to each worker during the Madras session 1908 it constitution was formed 1908 hingga kena constitution jeba mane cholinan bagai je toiri khlainan bagai form ka 1908 chikon mikon phanta during the Madras session in Madras session of the INC 1927 proposal for independent and to boycott Simon Commission were passed. Simon Commission 1927 passing mana apno boycott khaikya 1927 no 11 part serial lo abone ang teise serial sawana oro je important je ongko simi saka abone 90 je serial ang te kese class ang serial sajabana the Madras session of the INC 1927 proposal for independent and to boycott Simon Commission were passed. Simon Commission passing mano boycott kaya. During the Karachi session 1931, fundamental right and economic policy proposal were passed. Karachi session 1931 fundamental right economic policy proposal passing thangka 1931 the 1938 session of Congress was held in village Haripur 1938 village Haripur nini Congress session nini engkha ajagawa Haripur session village Haripur Congress awan pore nini in the Ramgarh session 1940 decision was taken individual satyagraha 1940 khai nini decision was taken individual satyagraha 1940 Ramgarh session abo mu session mutu khadi surungmani during the Tripura session 1939 Subhash Chandra Bose defected Patrabi Sitaramaiah Gandhiji candidate is presidential election but later resigned and Rajendra Prasad became the president. Most important Barbar Khajak Tripura session 1939 sabo president nangkha elected nangkha Gandhiji elected panon bo resign khariwoi Rajendra Prasad no rikha president Tripura session abo most important Barbar phayo orobo onekjon mistake ngo kon propa onko riwa Subhash Chandra Bose riwa ia kaiba riwa Sitaramaiah no riwa ia kaiba onekjon borok mistake khayo Gandhiji oro tinta korok eike orobo nini Rajendra Prasad no president hisabe nijukto khairika Tripura session elected nangkha election nini election nini onko ঠিক আছে aipano resign khairika ulo hangkai Rajendra Prasad no nini president khairika abo ekdom confirm kangka khial khati oro onek candidate mistake khaibe during Calcutta session 1928 first all Indian youth congress was established all Indian youth noi 1928 abo establishing thaka bojagao Kolkata session Aurobindo Ghosh published new lamps for old Aurobindo Ghosh published kya new lamps of old Hinoi. It was the first systematic critique of the moderate of Korea first systematic critique of the moderate ni obo kaisa je Aurobindo Ghosh publish khaimani new lamp for all new lamp for all rong ni bagai katal je lamps. The radical wing of the INC that emerged at the end of the 19th century referred to as a extremist group. Radical wing of the INC that emerged at the end of 19th century of British Korea referred to as the extremist group. The main leader of extremist group was Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Aurobindo Ghosh. Ang taisingono saipai kiabo extremist sabo nini prominent leader moderator sabo sung taisingono saipai kia. Anpre Tilak asserted Swaraj is my birthday and I shall have it. Okok barbar phayo Okok Swaraj is my birthday and I shall have it. Sabosa Bal Gangadhar Tilak Bosabo Bal Gangadhar Tilak Sabo Bal Gangadhar Tilak Hangkai extremist ni kaisa INC ni extremist ni kaisa prominent leader. Tilak started two newspaper, the Maratha in English and the Kesari is Marathi. Abo most important abo barbar phayo Maratha by Kesari ni sambadak sabo ba sabo star khai Bal Gangadhar Tilak Maratha by Kesari. Khanai tongo na?
Kanao, sir.
He started Shivaji Festival to stimulate nationalism. Bo Shivaji Festival nei je to stimulate nationalism. Star khagya Sabo Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lord Curzon partition Bengal on 20 July 1905. Lord Curzon ba Bengal partition 1905 divided and rule policy khlaigya bak khaigya as the part of divided and rule policy. Lord Curzon 1905 Rabindranath Tagore composed Amar Sonar Bangla as a part of anti-partition movement. Rabindranath Tagore apro Amar Sonar Bangla hinai siklang garika na compose kairika which later become the national anthem of Bangladesh. Bangladesh ni uloka bono nini national anthem unthangka Amar Sonar Bangla. Boycott of British product was first suggested by Krishna Kumar Mitra in Sanjeevani. Most important barbar porikha phayo candidate roko jaga mayamu. Interview sungo sungpuro aro onek somoy confusion khaye mayang tamu. Ekaba sorry hini saw. Boycott of British product poila suggested khlaimani sabo hongkai Krishna Kumar baksa koi Gandhi ji hinjau baksa koi bingo hinjau poila suggested khainai Krishna Kumar Mitra in bojaga wasa in Sanjeevani pratika bo Sanjeevani wo awasairibo eke abo eke khial khainarandi. The Swadeshi movement was started in 1905 and pore nini Swadeshi movement started 1905. Chorka spinning wheel. Chorka mane tamo spinning wheel. Ora jadi what is chorka hangkai phaike hangkai nini spinning wheel come to typify the popular concern for country economic self-sufficient. Chorka aboti pekya economic self-sufficient aron hoite khadi ingon hoite. Swadesh Bandab Committee of Borisal founded by Ashwini Datta was the largest volunteer body of the support স্বদেশী মুভমেন্ট অবর্ণ অনেকজন বরক মিস্টেক খাই অনেক ক্যান্ডিডেট কারণ কোনাকুনি পর্যায়ে এঙ্গই মানে মওয়াইসা পানসি নুগিয়াকো মতাম নরি নাই উল্টা পাল্টা দিব শেষ কাটমার থাঙ্গো বরিশাল স্বদেশ বান্ধব সমিতি अब लार्जेस्ट volunteer ni kaisa Swadeshi movement ni abo bini founder khaine sabo Ashwini Datta largest volunteer body to support Swadeshi movement. First Real Labor Union, the Printer Union was formed on October 1905. Most important, First Real Labor Union Tama, Bumung Tama, the Printer Union, Buhruk Homong, 1905 October ni, abo kuna kuni niri puro mono onek confusion jago, mono mayango. First Real Labor Union Baba, Printer Union, Vande Mataram movement was started by Bipin Chandra Pal in Madras. Vande Mataram kaisa protika tango mo movement tango. Vande Mataram movement started Bipin Chandra Pal Madras. Tilak began the Swadeshi Vastra Prasarini Sabha to propagate Swadeshi movement. Tilak shuru khaigya. Savarkar founded Mitra Mela. Savarkar Mitra Mela nei bok founder khaigya Mitra Mela. Savarkar Chakrabarti B. Biraja Gopalacharya C.V. Raman Hinabanawasi Chakrabarti Biraja Gopal Birak Habarsarya was the first Indian leader to undergo imprisonment in 1982. He was extremist leader. He was the first Indian to draft as far as constitution. Most important about first draft for Indian, which was presented the Madras session in 1927. Simon Commission je samoy Simon Commission ni teye je boycott khale puro apro Chakraborty Biraras Charia abo kangkai mutu naraki Biraras Charia abo mutu naraki first Congress leader to suffer several team of imprisonment for the sake of the country was Bal Gangadhar Tilak bishesh koriya. Tilak wrote Gita Rahasya sinai sabo angkai Bogen Atrapan Phaimung tongo Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bipin Chandra Pal started English weekly newspaper New India ni sampadak sabo angkai Bipin Chandra Pal English weekly newspaper New India tamo English weekly newspaper weekly in purport nakoro. Bipin Chandra Pal was the founder editor of English daily Vande Mataram 1906 takasha Vande Mataram hini babo editor angka tamne je English daily newspaper Vande Mataram 1906. Lala Lajpat Rai is popular known as the Sri Punjab, Lion of Punjab. Punjab ni lion sabno hinkai Lala Lajpat Rai. Our nickname Phana Phaimung tongo. Popular known as Sari Punjabi, Siari Punjabi sabno hin Lala Lajpat Rai. Lion ni Punjabi sabno hin Lala Lajpat Rai. Lion ni Punjabi sabno hin Lala Lajpat Rai. Siari Punjabi sabno hin Lala Lajpat Rai. He founded and edited the Punjabi and the English weekly, the people sabone, Lala Lasport Dani, English weekly paper abo, the Punjabi no bo, edited khaikya, founded and edited, the Punjabi and the English weekly, the people, the Bengali daily Jugantar was started by Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh ni ka Jugantar. He also started weeklies Karma Jugi and Dharma. Karma Jugi and Dharma weekly they started khaine sabla. Sabang kangkai Aurobindo Ghosh Karma Jugi and Dharma. Ege tini cheng musung nainai abo dui pata jora asak mangla o video abo barbar naidi khanadi sudu khanadi. Sudo o video no khanadi naina khanane khaba naidi khata kolam tuye sidi khata kolam tuye ekbar sibe kyangkai teisa khanadi poila sidi khata o sina nangnai hat mane yak bai si kyangka mutungo ang je samani ang je point phunungmani sidi erpore sibai kakamai teisa barbar khanadi engkai history jikeni nini pas khainen bagai उपाय थाका एके चिंतिनि 2 पेज राखाय का 17टा पेज अब जतन खाइबेनाय आइबनो सिकांगो खाइजेक दंगो दागतेसा प्रेक्टिस हिसाबै खाइनाय ঠিক আছে